Imagine never worrying about hair loss again. Millions of people around the world struggle with thinning hair and baldness, and traditional treatments like shampoos, medications, or hair transplants only provide temporary solutions. But now, scientists have made a breakthrough that could permanently regrow hair using stem cells. This is not a gimmick or a cosmetic trick, this is real science that could change the way we treat hair loss forever. Hair follicles, the tiny structures in our skin that produce hair, were once thought to be permanent once damaged or lost, but researchers have discovered that stem cells, the body's natural repair units, can be guided to form new hair follicles. By extracting stem cells from the patient's own body and activating them with specific growth proteins, scientists can stimulate these cells to organize into fully functional hair follicles. These follicles grow naturally within the scalp, complete with roots and even oil glands, producing hair that looks, feels, and functions like natural hair. Unlike traditional transplants that move existing hair from one area to another, this approach creates entirely new follicles, offering a potential permanent solution to baldness. This breakthrough is revolutionary because it addresses the root cause of hair loss rather than just masking it. It could restore confidence to millions, reduce reliance on temporary treatments, and mark a major milestone in regenerative medicine. Of course, there are challenges to overcome. Scientists need to ensure that the process is safe, scalable, and effective across different types of hair loss. Clinical trials are ongoing, and widespread availability may still take several years. Researchers are also studying long-term effects and exploring ways to optimize the growth process for faster and more consistent results. Despite these hurdles, the progress is undeniable. We are closer than ever to a world where baldness could be reversed at the cellular level. If this discovery becomes widely available, it could transform not just cosmetic treatment but also our understanding of human tissue regeneration. For anyone struggling with hair loss, this breakthrough offers hope for a natural, permanent solution. And it's not just about hair. This research highlights the incredible potential of stem cells to repair and regenerate other parts of the body, paving the way for future medical innovations that were once considered impossible. The science is still developing, but one thing is clear: the future of hair restoration is no longer limited to temporary fixes. This is the beginning of a new era in regenerative medicine, and it's happening right now. If you're fascinated by discoveries like this and want to stay updated on the latest breakthroughs that could change lives, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Every week, we bring you incredible science explained in an easy-to-understand way, from medical innovations to breakthroughs that feel like science fiction, all backed by real research and evidence. Don't miss the chance to be the first to learn about the next game-changing discovery. This stem cell breakthrough could be the solution people have been waiting for, and the future of hair regeneration has never looked more promising.